Good morning, everybody. My dear students, today, we have to start a new lesson, that is Justice Above Self. This lesson, Justice Above Self, was written by Justice Above Self. This lesson written by Munshi Premchand. Here in this poem, in this lesson, the writer Munshi Premchand, he want to describe or he want to explain about the how that friendship was, how the friendship is full of bond. It means bond of friendship, and how at the time of we are the chief of that justice, or you are the chief of the giving justice at every circumstances. How you are going to behave yourself? What was the responsibility you are having there? So at the time of giving justice, even though you did not count your relationship, friendship, and the personal affairs. So that is the main. This is the main thing that we are going to learn from this lesson. Here there are two friends are there, Juman Sheikh and Alma Chowdhury. They were having a bond of friendship. How they giving the justice without any partiality. Let us. I am going to read the lesson. You are go through this lesson. Look at your textbook. Justice Above Self, written by Munshi Premchand. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that which either of them went away from the village. The other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became independent to her as his wife, who guarded even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. One day, she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted to your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chowdhury and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what is considered just unfair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said. Alugu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. So in this lesson, we go to the first paragraph, part 1. Here, in this first paragraph, the writer, he want to explain about the bond of friendship in between Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary were good friends. Dear students, you are also having good friendship with each other. Maybe so many friends in your college friends also. Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, there was a bond of friendship with them, between them, Alugu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh. The bond of friendship means a strong friendship. Bond means strong connection. Bond means strong connection. You are also having bond of friendship. Maybe. Are you having bond of friendship? Yes, really. So here their bond of friendship in between Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary. When either of them went away from the village, so among them one who went away from the village, the other looked after his family. So one of them, they have to look after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Both Alugu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh were respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. So here Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. She was having some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him. When Juman Sheikh had an old aunt, she wanted to transfer her property to Juman Sheikh because she would stay with him. And he would look after her. And also, the Juman Sheikh, he wanted to look after the old aunt. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Couple means 2 years. The 2 years, the understanding arrangements were going. But thereafter, the situation changed. After 2 years, the situation is changed. Means Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became independent to her as his wife, who guarded even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. So after 2 years, Juman Sheikh's wife, she did not having a good understanding between the old aunt. She did not even, she cannot ready to pay the given the food. Good food for the old aunt. She swallowed these insults. Swallow means tolerate. Swallowed means tolerate. Here, the old aunt tolerate all these things. She allowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. But patience has its limit. So every person having a patience and above that patience they were having angry, or here the old aunt having such a patience. One day she spoke to Juman. One day that old aunt, she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted to your house. She told to obvious clear. Obey means clear. The old aunt one day she want to say clear with Juman one day. My son, it is now obeys that I am not wanted to your house. I am not ready to stay in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance. That old aunt asking monthly allowance for her. So that I cannot set up a separate kitchen. So I can set up a separate kitchen. The old aunt she want a monthly allowance because she want to set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. So these questions, the Juman, he answered like this. My wife knows best how to run the house. He says like this. My wife knows very well how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. Shamelessly, the Juman answered this answer. This made his aunt very angry. So this type of answer made the old auntie, she was very angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Afterwards, the old aunt she want to bring this case in front of the village panchayat. Village panchayat. Dear students, have you know the meaning of that word village panchayat? I think you are from village. You know the panchayat, how it was held at the village. So any problems arising in the village, the people came in front of the village panchayat. They want to decide the case. Here, the old aunt bring her case in front of the village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. The old lady or the old aunt, she came near the people of village and explaining all her case, what happened. Some sympathized with her. Some people, the village, they sympathized with her. Sympathize means feel sorry for somebody. Feel sorry somebody. So here some people of the village, they were sympathizing with her, others laughed at her, others they were hearing the case, they have to laugh. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. Some people they have to give advice, make adjustment with the Juman's wife. At last, she came to Alugu Chaudhary and spoke to him. At last, finally, the old aunt, she came near Juman's best friend, Alugu Chaudhary, and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. So at the time, the Alugu Chaudhary, he wanted to reply like this. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Juman Sheikh is my best friend. How can I go against him? Like this, that Alugu Chaudhary answered. Alugu said, but isn't right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Again, the old aunt asked like this, is it right, my son? Keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair, pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. But Alugu Chaudhary, he want to say like this, come to the panchayat and speak the truth in front of the village panchayat. She said, Alugu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. But the words, what the words means, what was the speech spoken by the old aunt, that words are ringing in his ears. So this is the story, my dear students, in the first to fourth paragraph. So the main theme, the main idea of this lesson is, one is the bond of friendship between Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary. And also second thing is how the old aunt, why she want to transfer her property to Juman Sheikh. And another thing is what situation happened after that the 2 years after. Why the old aunt, she was very angry with Juman Sheikh. What was the responsible or reply from Juman Sheikh? And how the old aunt, she asked a allowance, monthly allowance to Juman Sheikh, and how he was not ready to accept that monthly allowance. Then the old aunt, she went near the old panchayat, the people of the village, and also she wanted to express all his story in front of them. And also some people they show sympathize, and some people they want to laugh. Some they want to give a suggestion to come in front of the village panchayat. Finally, the old aunt, she went near his friend, best friend Alugu Chaudhary. But Alugu Chaudhary, he did not ready to accept. He came in front of the panchayat because he was my best friend. Whatever it may be, here the old aunt, she wanted justice in front of the she, so that she came with her case in front of the village panchayat. This is the story. Here, dear students, we are going to analyze that the bond of friendship is very important. Second one is we have to take care about the old aunt. How we are going to feel when we are going to feed them. And in front of the village panchayat, how the people they want to make some responses. Like this, these things are very important. And also in our house, we are also having the old age people like old aunt, old mother, grandmother, grandfather, like this. We have to respect them. We are having responsibility to take care about them. So like this thing is very important in this lesson. First to fourth paragraph. Have you understood? Yes. So here, dear students, come to these new words introduced here in this lesson. So many important new words are introducing. So one is bond. Bond means strong connection. As I told you, here there is a strong connection between Juman Sheikh and also Alugu Chaudhary. Swallow, tolerate. Swallow means tolerate. Here the word and tolerate all the insult by the Juman's wife. Obeys. Obeys means clear. As I told you that old aunt, she wanted to explain her feelings in front of the Juman Sheikh clear. Allowance. Allowance means an amount of money given regularly. So here the old aunt, she want a monthly allowance for the sake of set up her separate kitchen. Mom means quiet or silent. Sympathize, as I told you already, feel sorry for somebody. Feel sorry somebody. So the old aunts, some people they want to show sympathize with her. Like this, here there are so many new words are appearing. So it is better to construct a new sentence using these new words. You have to construct in your own sentence. Okay? You have to try one sentence. Let us we are go through these homework questions. Very simple questions are here. How was the bond of friendship between Juman and Algu? So as I told you about the bond of friendship in between Algu Chaudhary and also Juman Sheikh, there was a one strong connection between. There was a strong connection between the two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. So on what condition did Juman's aunt transfer her property to him? As I told you that Juman Sheikh and his wife, they take care about that old aunt when she was staying in his house. This is the answer. Third one, what did the aunt demand to set up a separate kitchen? What did the aunt demand to set up a separate kitchen? Yes, student? Yes? Answer anybody? Yes, because of that old aunt, she was not tolerate the insult by the German's wife. So that she want to make a separate kitchen. So that's why she asked Juman, give me a monthly allowance. Fourth one, what made the old lady angry? What made the old lady angry? Because Juman Sheikh, she did not respond to her demands. He rejected her demands. He did not accept the demands of that old aunt. So that the old aunt, she was very angry against Juman Sheikh. These are all the simple questions. And also this lesson also very important for the sake of examination. You may expect some 3 to 4 marks questions in this lesson. So you have to study, you have to go to read this lesson in your house and make this homework, and using these new words in your own construct new sentence also. So this is the thing, this is the key what you are going to learn from this lesson. So in the next period you are going to know that how the village panchayat giving a assignment of justice. So who was the head of the panchayat and also who selected or elected as a head of the panchayat, how the old aunt get a justice from the village panchayat. So what was the condition applied in the village panchayat? So these are all the things we are going to know about again in the next period also. So any doubts from this lesson? Dear students, if you are having any doubts, ask me. Yes? Bond of friendship. So here in this lesson, the bond of friendship is very important. You are also having such type of friends. How many friends are there? But among that friends you are having the bond of friendship is very important. Yes. Yes. The responsibility of take care about the older people or the old age people in your family or in your house. That is the responsibility you are having here in this lesson also. So also we are going to look after this old people, those who are living in our family. So next, what points we are going to learn? What is the main thing we are going to learn from this lesson? That panchayats are decided. How that village panchayat is very important, giving this justice about the old and complaint. How the family members are making a good coordination between the members, the family members also. So these are all the things, these are all the main points we are going to gain from this lesson also. Yes? Anything? You are having any doubts from this lesson? No doubts? Yes. Let us, we are going to stop this lesson here in this period. Any doubts we are going to ask here? Any? So this here, any doubts from this lesson? Ask any question from this lesson. No, not much. Okay. So this is the thing we are going to know very well. So let us in the next one paragraph, what happened in the next paragraph, let us we are going to read here. Let us look over this fifth paragraph, part the second. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Here there is a explanation described about the panchayat. How the panchayat was held way and when in this village. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, "The voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide by her decision. I nominate Raghu Chaudhary as the punch. The punch knows neither enemy nor friend." Stated the old lady. "Fine," replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. "Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman," said Alagu. "Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God." And the old lady explained her case. "What have you to say in your defense?" asked Alagu to Juman. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. But of late there have been quarrels between my wife and aunt. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me, which I cannot pay. That is all I have to say." He concluded his submission after consulting others. Alagu announced, we are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." Now the friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Alagu as an enemy and wanted to take revenge. Yes, students, see here in this fifth and sixth paragraph, the old aunt, she came in front of the old panchayat's village panchayat, and the panchayat says, finally the Juman said he must and should be paid the monthly allowance for old aunt. Otherwise, he did not having the rights to enjoy with the property of that old aunt. Here, the one word you have to remember: the voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. It's very important. The voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. It means the decision of that panchayat is very impartial. The decision, the justice of the panchayat is the justice of God. This is the main theme we are going to learn in this fifth paragraph. Almost you know that village panchayat, it was held under the big old banyan tree that the middle of the village. So this is the thing we are going to learn in this fifth paragraph. Let us, we are going to stop here. Next period we are going to continue. Thank you very much.